Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to manually create multiple, unique versions of the test. Hover over the test in the main menu and select a new test. Enter the test name and optionally description, label, and add instructions. Define the test settings in the second step and decide whether to include the certificate in the third step. In the fourth step, select the Adding Questions Manually method for test creation. You can now choose to import the questions from pools or to create new questions directly in the test creation wizard. Let's add a couple of questions from the pool. Now you can also create an additional version of this test and distribute different versions to your candidates. For example, in order to prevent cheating. Test versions can contain independent combination of questions imported from pools, as well as manually created questions. You can create as many versions as you require. Give them appropriate names, edit them further, or delete them. Here you can also randomize question or answer order. Randomization applies to every test version. In the next step, you should configure grading. As you can see, if you have several versions of the same test, you can define the passing mark only percentages. Then you can set a descriptive passing mark for each pool contained in any of the test versions. Note that this passing mark does not influence the final score. Review the test and click the Finish Wizard button. Note that you can modify test versions and questions in them in the Questions tab. When you select the test version, you will be able to see the question pools and questions contained in it. You can adjust the randomization options and apply to all versions or add more questions to any version the same way before you publish the test. Click on the View Statistics button to examine the success ratio or question occurrence. To publish the test, organize a testing session. Enter its name, define availability period, and optionally associate the session with location, training course, or user group. Click the Save button and assign candidates who will take the test in this session. Select the candidates, and from the drop-down menu, choose the test version that will be distributed to candidates in this session. Finally, publish the test, and it will appear in the Assignments tab of all assigned candidates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.